Hello everybody. Hey, how often do we get to meet our heroes? Well, we do if we're lucky. I met one of mine recently, the cartoonist, Gray Joliffe. I had an exhibition at the Chelsea Arts Club and he bought this piece, Broadstairs, Where Life is Fab. And then he came to Broadstairs and we made this piece together, which is based on a design of Gray's called Bikini Bird, because it's a bird, but it's also a girl's bikini. And now we're collaborating together. And the series will be called Cheeky Shades of Grey. This is the first one. The series is going to feature the courtship of animals. And from that drawing, I've made this panel. As usual, I've written an accompanying verse, which goes like this. In the love life of a crocodile, commitment takes a little while, but not as long as alligators, who are, famously, procrastinators.